Germany has rolled out the world's first hydrogen powered train. Two bright blue Carodia Island trains built by French TGV maker Alstom began running a 100-kilometer route in Germany. This event is signaling the start of a push to challenge the might of polluting diesel trains with costlier but more eco-friendly technology. Hydrogen trains are equipped with fuel cells that produce electricity through a combination of hydrogen and oxygen, a process that leaves steam and water as the only emissions. Excess energy is stored in iron lithium batteries on board the train. The Carodia Island trains can run for around 1000 kilometers on a single tank of hydrogen, similar to the range of diesel trains. Buying a hydrogen train is somewhat more expensive than a diesel train, but it is cheaper to run.